In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do calculated properties in Hubspot. If you're looking to streamline your workflow by adding automatic calculations to your Hubspot properties, you're in the right place. Let me guide you through the process, step by step, ensuring you set everything up smoothly. To begin, navigate to the Hubspot website. Once there, you'll notice a login button situated in the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to the sign in page. If you haven't already linked your account with Google, now's a great time to do so. Simply click on Sign in with Google and choose the Google account that you wish to use. It's quick, easy, and helps you bypass entering your password manually. Once you're logged in, head over to your profile. Clicking on this will give you access to a host of settings. From these options, you'll want to direct your attention towards Profile and Preferences. Click on that to proceed. Nestled within this setting is an option labeled Properties. Selecting this will allow you to manage the various properties available in your Hubspot account. Now that you're in the Properties section, it's time to create a new one. Look for the Create Property button and click on it. This is where the magic starts. You'll be prompted to input a property label, which essentially acts as the name or title for the new property you're creating. Be descriptive to avoid any future confusion. After labeling your property, focus on the field type. A drop-down menu will appear once you select this option. From that menu, choose Calculation. This is the essential step for setting up a calculated property. Once done, you'll have further customization options such as setting the output type and refining the number format. These settings allow you to determine how the results of your calculations will appear. Tailor these features to best fit your needs, whether it's a simple numeral display, a percentage, or any other format that integrates seamlessly with your processes. With everything set up just the way you want it, the final step is to click on the Create button located at the top right corner of the screen. This will finalize your new calculated property, making it ready for use within your HubSpot environment. Congratulations, you've just added a calculated property to HubSpot. This functionality lets you automate certain aspects of data handling, thereby streamlining your operations. The flexibility and efficiency it brings will undoubtedly enhance the way you manage information moving forward. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep exploring new ways to make your tools work better for you.